CAT 2026 Complete Strategy Guide. The MBA landscape in India has changed permanently. CAT 2026 is not your senior's exam. Three major shifts are rewriting the rules for every aspirant sitting at their desk tonight. First, IIM intake has expanded. IIM Bangalore, Ahmedabad, and Calcutta have collectively added over 200 seats in the last 2 years. That sounds like good news. But it means competition has also intensified because more engineers and MBAs see those seats as achievable. Second, the exam pattern is evolving. WARC has become the true differentiator. Students who ignored reading comprehension in 2024 paid a heavy price. In 2026, RC passages are longer, denser, and more inference-heavy than ever before. Third, IIM shortlisting now uses a composite score that includes your Class 10, Class 12, graduation marks, work experience, and gender diversity factors. Your CAT percentile is just one piece of a complex puzzle. After analyzing over 500 successful IIM converts, YMBA 360 identified three distinct winner profiles. Understanding which profile you are will save you 6 months of wasted effort. Profile 1 is the quant beast. This student scores 99 plus in DIL and QA but struggles in WARC. The strategy here is not to fix the weakness dramatically but to bring WARC to 85 percentile while protecting the strengths. Profile 2 is the verbal ace. This student devours RC passages and scores 95 plus in WARC but finds QA intimidating. The data shows that a 75 percentile in QA combined with 95 in WARC still produces an overall 98 plus. Do not abandon your strength-chasing parity. Profile 3 is the all-rounder. This student scores 85 to 90 across all sections. The all-rounder needs to manufacture one spike. Pick your strongest section and push it to 95 plus. Consistent mediocrity does not crack IIM Ahmedabad. 90 days is enough time if you spend it correctly. Most aspirants waste the first 30 days reading theory they already know. Here is the blueprint that works. Days 1 to 30 are for diagnosis. Take 3 full mocks with no preparation. Analyze every wrong answer. Build a personal error log categorizing mistakes as conceptual, calculation, or reading errors. This data will direct every hour of the next 60 days. Days 31 to 60 are for targeted drilling. Work only on your 3 biggest error categories. If you make 12 errors per mock in RC inference questions, spend 45 minutes every day on inference-heavy passages. Specificity beats volume. Days 61 to 90 are for simulation. Take 1 full mock every 3 days. Review within 24 hours. Track your sectional accuracy, not your overall score. Students who track accuracy improve 8 percentile points faster than those who track scores alone. Getting a 99 percentile is step 1. Converting that call to an admission is step 2. Most students forget step 2 exists until it is too late. IIM Ahmedabad uses a written ability test and a personal interview. The what topic is almost always current affairs or business ethics. Your opinion matters less than your structure. A clear argument with 3 supporting points beats a passionate ramble every time. The personal interview at IIM Bangalore lasts 20 minutes on average. Interviewers are not trying to trick you. They are checking intellectual curiosity. Read 2 quality newspapers for 30 days before your interview. Develop genuine opinions on 3 industries relevant to your background. Work experience candidates face a different challenge. Your interviewers will dissect your professional decisions. Prepare 3 stories of impact from your career using the Situation Action Result framework. Numbers make stories credible. Why MBA 360 has built 30 plus free tools specifically for Indian MBA aspirants. These are not generic calculators. They are built on real IIM admission data. The CAT score predictor shows you which IIMs you can target based on your current mock scores, category, and academic profile. It has been calibrated against 3 years of actual admission data. The MBA Readiness Score analyzes your profile across 6 dimensions including academics, work experience, extracurriculars, leadership, communication, and strategic thinking. It gives you a gap analysis in under 5 minutes. The College Decision Matrix helps you compare 20 Indian B schools across 14 parameters including average salary, ROI, industry reputation, location preference, and alumni network strength. Conclusion: your next step starts today. Every IIM graduate you admire started exactly where you are right now. Confused, slightly scared, and wondering if they were good enough. The difference between those who made it and those who did not is not intelligence. It is consistent daily action combined with smart strategy. Visit ymba360.surge. right now. Use the MBA Readiness Score tool for free. Know exactly where you stand. Build your personalized plan. Your IIM dream is closer than you think. Visit ymba360.surge. for 30 plus free tools. Subscribe for more MBA insights.